friends, JENNCASCELL here. I am back with another incoming swap. I participated in the Cookies and Cocoa swap hosted by Rocky and Mika. Um, th this is really late. This is a Christmas theme swap, but there was just some problems. I'm just happy to have received my package. I have no idea who I got. All I've done is just open this side of the box here. So let's dive in and see. Oh my goodness. Would you look at this? Ah, so cute. This is so beautiful. Look at this adorable little gingerbread. Oh, I love it. So this is obviously gingerbread and cocoa themed. Still have no idea who sent this. This was sitting on top of the package. And this looks like it's been from Rocky, who hosted. And she sent me like a little button and a little mini gingerbread. Really, really cute. Let's see what is inside. I mean, so cute. Look at this little bow. I'm dying. How cute. Like I said, there wasn't too many videos. There's a lot going on. But I am so excited to see this because look at how cute this clip is. Little swap on here. Oh, adorable. And it's got a magnet on the back too. Looks like there's a little card in here. Swap partner. Oh, I got Lacy from the Cheeky Bum. Oh, thanks, Lacy. Oh, I'm so excited. So everything on the tag flip is on a removable dot. Okay. All right. So let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. Oh, but I don't even know where to go first. Ah. Okay. So look at this little bag. How stinking cute is this? Oh my goodness. Perfect little square size too. Absolutely adorable. All right. So this kind of started to fall apart when I pulled it out, but it's this cute little gingerbread box. Adorable. And it was just stuffed. So she gifted me some shortbread gingerbread men. How cute. Love. I'm sure those are very tasty. And then there was, oh my gosh, Lacy, you are so generous. So we have some marshmallow gingerbread men, some peeps. How cute. Where do you guys find all this stuff? I don't shop nearly enough. And then we got some cinnamon spice delight lip gloss from Bath and Body Works. Oh, I'm sure this is wonderful. Love me some Bath and Body Works lip gloss. And then she also gifted me some gingerbread hand cream. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a peppermint swirl one. Oh, adorable. I love it. I love it. So we did have to include a memory decks, and the memory decks should have a recipe on there. So it looks like this is her memory deck. How cute is this? So she used some Scrap Diva on this. Really, really cute. I actually designed this gingerbread word, so it's always fun to see what everybody creates with the dice that I've created. Oh my gosh. So we have a Mexican hot chocolate in here. So a cinnamon hot chocolate. One of my favorite ways to have hot chocolate. How cute is this? Traditional gingerbread cake. She gave me two. Ooh. I'm going to try it. I love to bake. I don't know if I ever tell you that, but I'm like the resident baker where I work. I think these, I don't know. Oh, so stinking cute. So she's got this little tiny rosette, and oh, this is fun. I thought this was resin at first, but it's kind of on the softer side. That's really cool. I like that. Really, really cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, love all the little details, Lacy. So, so pretty. And then this one's kind of heavy. I don't know what's in here. Oh, Lacy, this is so cute. There are these ceramic measuring spoons. Oh, these are absolutely adorable. Would you look at how cute these are? I'm not going to take them apart because I want to put this away and I don't want to risk them getting damaged. But oh, so cute. Oh, I love them. I don't even know if I want to put these in my kitchen. I think I want to leave them in my craft room. Oh, thank you, Lacy. Oh my goodness. And then she gifted me some super, super soft socks. Really pretty. Oh, these are nice. They're very silky and soft. And then there's this little gingerbread felt bag here. And oh my goodness gracious. Would you look at this tassel? Look at, oh, this is so cute. And it's like a little salt and pepper shaker. Oh my goodness. I'm out of the loop. This is just so cute. Lacy, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. Look at these look at the little gingerbread trim. Lacy, this is so pretty. It's got little touches of pink in there. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. This is just so nice. Thank you so much. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with the generosity. So we had to do a shaker. This is one that I did, that I designed too. Oh my goodness. I don't know if she got me, but I did this as my shaker as well. And she turned it into a card. Oh, Lacy, this is so pretty. Oh, it's an easel card. Okay, so, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff on my desk. Let me move these out of the way. So it's an easel card, so it's meant to sit like this. How cute is that, right? Oh my goodness. Let's just take a closer look. So she did this cute little bow at the top. This bow comes with the die set. Really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, it's just so, you did such a nice job with this. So, so, so pretty. So impressed. She used a really thick foam on here too. Oh, I love it. Great job, Lacy. Great, great job. So pretty. All the Scrap Diva goodness. The beigey glitter that you used. Really good. Great choice. Great, great choice. Everything about this I absolutely love. All right. So, tag flip that she must have been talking about. And this, we had to do a cookie jar. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. Look at how pretty. Oh, these trims. I love this. I don't have a lot of these trims. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much. And I believe this is a Chaos Crafts die set with some Scrap Diva on top. And then she used some foam gingies as her shaker bit. Oh my goodness. How cute. I mean, look at this. Just perfection. And I think these are kind of supposed to come up like this. Here, let me, probably just a little squishy. There we go. So, so, so cute. Oh my goodness. All right, so first, oh, this just turns. Okay, all right, all right. Oh, look, she did some cute little, the cookie jars from Scrap Diva. This is so pretty. She did such a good job, and these all come off, she said. So I can use all of this. Oh, Lacy, this is so pretty. Look at this. She did a little shaker mix for me. So pretty. I love this little resin, and she included a little pink scoop that she even put a gingerbread on this. Oh, adorable. And then she gifted me some of, these are Scrap Diva as well. This is from the nesting set, the nesting gingerbread. So pretty. Oh, great job. And I love that she left these flat so I can just pull them out and embellish. Oh, and there's even more on the back. Oh, so good. I like to use this paper for my gingies too, that shimmery color. Oh, really, really good. Really good, Lacy. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then look at all of these little like resin pieces in here. We've got some gingies. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much. This is so generous of you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Look at these little gloves holding the hot cocoa. I've never seen this die set. It's so pretty. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh. And look at these little, oh my goodness. This is so fun. I love the color palette that you used on this. And then we've got a little, oh, this is adorable, a little mini decoration. What a fun little embellishment. Making some gingerbread cookies. How cute. Oh, am I missing something? I'm so excited. I'm like going crazy. And then she did these little ticket strips on paper clips with, they're just embellished so nicely. Oh, I love it. That's one of my favorite dies right there too. So cute. Oh, everything is just so pretty. Oh my gosh. So nice. And I get to use all of it. It's Lacy, you outdid yourself. This is so nice. Thank you so much. I knew it was a long wait, but man, let me tell you, I am not disappointed. So she gave me a little gingerbread clip, and once again, it is magnetized. How cute! Oh my, where do you find this stuff? I don't shop. I'm not really a shopper. And then this has got to be the mug. You have to do a mug. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at how cute this is. So cute. Oh, and inside she has it filled with a bunch of hot chocolate. Oh my god, this is so cute. Hot chocolate melt away Santas. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and then this is a raspberry and chocolate cocoa mix, and then a French vanilla one in here, and then she did like some chocolate and peppermint stirs. Oh, so cute. And then I have some gingerbread stir sticks. This is just, oh my god. And let's just talk about this cute little mug. Oh, that is adorable. I'm not drinking cocoa out of this. This is staying in my craft room. It's definitely staying in my craft room. It's so cute. I actually like to use mugs to organize stuff on my desk space. So Lacy, this is going on my desk. You've got a point of pride in here. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you're not following her already, Lacy is from the Cheeky Bomb, and she is an amazing crafter. You definitely want to give her a follow and check her out if you don't know who she is. She's also on Scrap Diva design team with me, and wow, thank you. I'm just overwhelmed at your generosity. So make sure that you head on over to her channel and follow and check out all of the amazing participants in the swap. It was a shame that we didn't get to see this stuff, a little earlier in the year, but wow, was it worth the wait. Just beautiful. Thank you so much. And once again, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more crafty content. I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.